classic French omelet. And with any omelet, you gotta start with cracking a few eggs. So today I got 3 eggs. Crack these right into a bowl. Got our eggs. Add a pinch of salt. Break these up. Just want to whisk them up a bit so they're pale in color and they're nice and runny. The best French omelet I've ever had, you guessed it, in France. That looks good. The eggs are much looser, you can see. So we got our non-stick pan here. We'll add a tablespoon of butter. Turn to medium-high heat here. We'll let this butter completely melt and coat the pan. We don't want to get this too hot. Alright, so with our butter melted, add our egg mixture. And we just want to start moving this around in circles or figure eights they teach you in culinary school. Just keep this moving, getting the sides. And we just want to slowly cook our eggs. Move the pan as well. And we're looking for the eggs to solidify. We just want to move it around where the eggs are runny. Just scrape across the top wherever our eggs are still runny. And fill in any gaps so they will cook. So at this point we'll turn the heat to low. Our eggs aren't as watery. They're not running as much. Now we can start to fold the omelet onto itself, and that'll finish cooking it. And just start to roll the omelet onto itself. So now our French omelet's rolled up. It's going to finish cooking. We'll add a bit of butter because it's French cooking. You can never have enough butter. Just let that butter melt onto the bottom of our omelet. Finish cooking it, give it some more flavor. Now we're ready to go to the plate. So we have our plate. I'm holding the handle, and we'll just flip our omelet onto our plate. And the final step for classic French omelet, bit more of butter just rubbed on top. Give it that nice sheen. Touch more flavor. And that's a nice French omelet right there. So you can serve this with toast, nice salad. Make sure you get quality eggs. That makes all the difference. The quality of the eggs is what really matters. That's why in France it's so great, because the eggs aren't ultra pasteurized and the flavor is really much better. So make this classic French omelet. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.